kinetic friction. In the diagram, we have a body which is placed on a rough surface of another body. An external force Fex. An external force Fex is acted towards right. So this is the direction of external force, and Fex is the applied external force or external force which is acted on the body, and that will appear to act from the center of gravity of the body. Fex is the external force, and kinetic friction Fk will be acting towards left in the opposite direction of external force, and it acts tangentially on the surface of contact between the two bodies. So Fk is a kinetic friction such that in this case Fex is greater than Fk, means applied external force is greater than the kinetic friction or force of kinetic friction. In this case, the body will be moving towards right in the direction of external force Fex with an acceleration a. The kinetic friction, the definition that is the kinetic friction is the opposing force. Kinetic friction is the opposing force that comes into play. The kinetic friction is the opposing force that comes into play when a body is actually moving. When a body is actually moving over the surface of another body, and it acts in the opposite direction of this opposing force, or kinetic friction acts in the opposite direction of applied external force. Opposing force is Fk in the diagram, and it acts in the opposite direction of applied external force under bracket Fex in the diagram, such that this kinetic friction or opposing force, Fk, or opposing force or kinetic friction Fk, force of kinetic friction Fk is less than the external force, applied external force Fex, and the body will be moving in the direction of external force Fex with an acceleration a. As Fex is greater than Fk, that's why the body will be moving in the direction of Fex with an acceleration a. Again, we can draw the diagram. A body is placed on the rough surface of another body. Here Fex is the external force which is acted on the body, which will appear to act from its center of gravity. Fex is the applied external force which is acted towards right. If Fex, not if, it should be as Fex is greater than Fk, means applied external force is greater than the kinetic friction in the diagram towards left. Fk, force of kinetic friction, acts on the surface in contact between the two bodies. As Fex greater than Fk, the body moves with an acceleration a. In the direction of the applied external force Fex. So here the body will be moving towards right in the direction of Fex with an acceleration a. So this is the direction of motion of the body.